Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. I really do appreciate it. YouTube, I don't know what's up with YouTube algorithm, but they one day I have 1,000 views, the next day I have 100 views on my videos. So it's just going like that. In fact, the last couple of videos I've posted, I think I have more likes on them than I have views. So, it's a weird thing, but I'm making the videos for myself to go back and look. So, that's the purpose of them. But I really do appreciate it's encouraging, and I appreciate y'all's support. So, anyway, um, so like, subscribe, watch the end, all that kind of good stuff. So let's look at Cardano. Back here at the top, I thought we were going to make a couple legs up. The market is what it is, but I knew we were going to come back down to this line of capitulation, which is exactly what we did. We retraced back to the line of capitulation. We had this nice little bounce. You can see right now, this is the line I actually just drew. We've broken out of our relative strength, our descending channel on our relative strength right here. We had a couple bounces on our line of capitulation. This is where I'm buying. I'm buying these dips, and this is where I usually buy, is at the line of capitulation. I believe we're going to come back down to it again and have another bounce. I believe we're going to move higher after that, is what I'm thinking right now. And the reason I'm thinking that is, for one, we broke our relative strength here, our descending channel, and let's see where we're at. Looks like we've broke our descending channel here as well. So in our price movement, we broke our descending channel in our price movement. I consider this a higher low than this, even though the price went lower. If you don't understand the way I measure this, watch my welcome video on the front page of my YouTube channel. It'll explain it to you. I consider this a higher low. So let's see. I'm thinking that the price, this looks like a good setup for maybe a triangle to form. I'm thinking, just a rough estimate of where we could go, I'm thinking the price will probably retrace back to the line of capitulation here. We'll see like some kind of another tap on it. Again, this is where I'm buying. I think we'll move up. This looks like a good area for a triangle. We might see something like a triangle, right? And then up and more consolidation. That's what I'm looking at. This is exactly what I'm looking at. We could always move lower. This just gives me something to measure what I'm measure off of. So this gives me just something to measure. That's all. Then our lower triangle line would be something like that. Just gives me something to measure off of. This is what I'm looking at, though. Good consolidation right before we break that last high. Usually will give us a little boost. So jet propel us up there. Anyway, okay, so that's what I have on the schedule. If that's what I want to see it do, and I'll make my decisions based off of what it does compared to that. If we break lower, then again, what I talked about last time. If we break lower, our line of capitulation is right around that 93 cents area. That's where we would retrace to. That's where my next buy orders would be. So, probably sell out some of this if we start breaking through that. If I see that weakness when we hit that point, our capitulation line on our daily chart, probably do some selling, and then buying back at this $1.93 orders, having the orders waiting at that point. That would actually allow for our weekly relative strength to have a little bit more of a retracement. At this point, though, I believe we're going to go higher. There's incredible stuff going on around Cardano. I'm so excited about Cardano right at the moment. Let's see on the hourly chart. Hourly chart, yeah, look like we're going to fall off on the hourly chart. Of course, we always could not. Looks like we're going to fall off on the hourly chart, so I'm expecting that retracement back here to the line of capitulation where I'm looking for a bounce out. But just for instance, at the summit this weekend, they talked about Cody. In fact, Cody is one I'm going to make a video about later on today. Cody is something that I bought into a while ago. It's one of those projects I bought into, thought it was good, put the coins away somewhere, forgot where I even put them, and then but it was mentioned earlier today, and it looks like it made a new all-time high. I'll have to look at it and I'll make a video on it. But looks like it looks like a good, looks like it's going to be a good project. It's lots of good stuff about stable coins around it. I'm really excited about stable coins. They don't seem too exciting, but if you really think about it, they're probably one of the most exciting assets right now, stable coins. So anyway, just my opinion. That's that. I hope your trading's going well, and y'all are beautiful. I will see you next time.